Look at all these lovely trees. I love this one. I love like the shape of it. How it's like going like that between like each branch. I don't know if y'all can see it. Kind of like a braid. Um, the water's kind of dirty, but it's still very peaceful here. Uh, yeah, I've been coming to. Well, nature has always been like a place for me to find peace, to come connect to the higher power. It's always been like that to me. I've always find like peace when I'm in nature. Just hearing the birds, like little crickets. I don't know if I can hear it. Just hearing nature, it like really grounds me so much. Um, Seeing like the bright colors, the greens, it's just I just find it like fascinating how beautiful nature is. Um, but yeah, I mean, one of the reasons why I've been more connected to nature lately, because I've been going through a lot of stuff that's been really heavy on my spirit and my mind, and I just been feeling really disconnected, almost to the point where I'm like kind of losing myself. It's a very heavy feeling in my spirit. Um, to sit there and like not know where my life is going, and it just makes me wonder, like I just go into a loop of thoughts, and it becomes very overwhelming to the point where I just start to get anxious, and it makes me feel very off balance, and I hate that feeling. It makes me act in ways that I just don't recognize sometimes in myself. um, very anxious, very disconnected from the things that I love, that I enjoy on the daily, and I just become real disconnected. Um, Sorry, I just kind of lost my train of thought. I'm kind of new doing this, so just bear with me. Um, but yeah, lately it's just been like that. It's just been like a spiritual battle. Um, and yeah, it's just a lot on my spirit, like I said before. But you know, this moment I appreciate a lot because it reconnects me again with myself. Even if it's just for 20 minutes or an hour, I feel like I'm reconnecting, um, and I'm forgetting about what I have going on somewhere else, like at home or in my personal life or whatever. These little moments really do mean a lot for me because I just reconnect, like I said, for at least 20 minutes, 30 minutes with myself. No music, no social media, no nothing. It's just me in nature with the water. And the sounds of nature. Just really makes me reconnect. Let's see if I can put this. I forgot to bring something to kind of make it stand. I don't have anything to hold it. Oh, this sun is getting bright. But y'all see how beautiful it is. But yeah, no, I just really love spending time in nature. For, like I said, for at least 20 minutes, 30. Like, I just feel back to normal. I just feel my nervous system just calming down and just really connecting to the source, you know? I think this might be my second video on YouTube. The reason why I started posting on YouTube, or why I'm starting to post, because I've done like shorts and stuff like that, is I want to connect with people who are like me. I want to build a community where I connect with humans that are like me. I want to build a safe space for everyone, you know, in the comments, when we interact with each other. I really, really want to focus on that and build that, like, safe space, like no judgment. And when I mean no judgment, like, I really mean that, like, no judgment at all. I really want people to find peace and connection and love when they're interacting in the comments or with me. You know, I just really want to do that for people, because I feel like we live in a world where everything is just so, everyone is like losing the main focus. And you know, I mean, I don't want to talk about any social politics, things that are going on. I don't really, I mean, I do care, but I don't want to talk about it here, you know, because I don't want to lose the main focus of my channel. But yeah, I feel like people are losing the main focus of, like, why we're here on earth. Everybody want to be against each other. And they're really just losing focus of the main reason of why we're here. And the main reason is love. It is love. Nothing but love, you know? And that saddens me, honestly. Because with all of that, it comes to a lot of issues. A lot of disconnects. It just, everybody want to be against just each other. Against, I don't know what they're doing, honestly. It's just, that's why I try to disconnect in some way from all of that. And even when I'm having conversations with friends, like, it's like, I mean, we can talk about it, but I just want you to, I mean, I want to, whoever the person I'm talking to, I want them to know that at the end of the day, I'm not caught up in things like that. Because I know the main thing, and I know why humans are here. And it is because of love. And that's what I want to preach. That's the main thing that I want to preach to everyone. I mean, I kind of know I kind of got off, track or whatever, topic, whatever. But yeah, that's like the main reason why I want to create this space. I want this to be a space of love. and divinity and magic and safeness. I don't know if that's a word. Safeness, I don't know. A place where we can all just come as one, you know? One love, man. I really hope that I get to connect with a lot of y'all on here. Interact with me, comment, like, and I hope that I'm able to build that community for us, for you, for me, for everybody. And slowly, y'all will get to know me a little bit more. I know I seem like a serious person on my, here and on my first YouTube video, but I promise you guys I'm more than this. I'm a very fun person. I'm just fun. I like to have a good time too, and I want to put that out there too, but slowly it will come out. But I love y'all. If you are going through a really tough time like me right now, just know that I love you and we'll get through it together. Know that I'm sending you good energy. I'm sending you so much love, good energy, good thoughts. And it's all one love. Love y'all.